All right. Today, how to make left turns. All right. So left turn, it's a little bit tricky than the right turn, because reason why, there's two things to keep in consideration. If the left turn is at an intersection, it's changing the entire of the lineup. If the left turn is a regular left turn, there is no intersection, then you're good to go. Most likely your left turn, however, most likely will be at an intersection. Nevertheless, we're gonna cover how to make those left turn with no issue. All right. So same principle apply. You must always signal all your intention to decide that you're making the turn. As this traffic light coming up, we're gonna make a left hand turn to see what we're saying. That's an intersection turn. We're slowing down not to run the light. Okay. Now, as we're gonna make this left turn, we're gonna pull over to the middle of the street until your front bumper it's aligned to the middle of the street that you're making the turn, and pay attention to the oncoming traffic. It is critical you pay very good attention to the oncoming traffic, because the traffic that coming has priority over you making the turn, because you have to intercept the traffic to make your left turn. All right. Now, if the traffic is off your block, you don't have to wait for that traffic to make your turn. Now, there is no car coming at the intersection at the block. Mirrors and shoulder, and make my left turn and fall right in the middle. All right. Left turn, it's the same as the right turn, but the only difference is that it's gonna be most likely an intersection as you're making your left turn. Then you have to pay attention to it. Right. We're making a left turn at this traffic light coming up, which one has no intersection, because it comes to a dead end where either you go right or you go left. Now we're gonna approach just like we would if we were doing a right hand turn. We signal the intention. On this slot that I'm coming up, there's no room for cars to fit on my left side, because if I do, don't be surprised somebody try to sneak in when I'm ready to make my left turn. And I'm gonna drive straight across until my front bumper hit the middle of the left lane. Then I will go with my left hand turn. All right. Now keep in mind, left turn is a little bit different from the right turn, because there is an intersection that may be involved in those left turn. Nevertheless, the principles are the same. You signal your intention and you move over to the side that you're making the turn. No cars can fit or try to cut you off while you're making the turn, and you do your verification as you're ready to make the turn. My verification is clear. Coming up with my turn, making my left turn nice and smooth, and falling right into my left lane, because I just made the left hand turn. We're making the left turn again as this traffic coming up. Signal to my left. I'm going over to my left. No car can try to come around me to cut me for that turn. However, I understand is an intersection coming up. I'm gonna have to pull to the middle, make sure the turn is clear first before I go with the left turn. Contrary, if I was doing a right hand turn, I wanna have to pay attention to that intersection. All right. So here you go again. I'm gonna pull right to the middle. All the oncoming traffic has the right of way. This is a beautiful example. This big truck making that turn. I have to let the truck clear completely, because it was a blind spot for me. Now no cars come in. Me one left shoulder left. I make my left turn, fall into my left lane. I'm making another left turn here again. Signal my attention to the left. It's my arrow signal. I go right on through the left turn. All right, folks. It is very easy, and also critical for you to understand your left turn. All right, because any mistake on your left turn, especially the left turn, can result to some terrible accident or thing that you don't want to get yourself into. All right, so keep in mind, whenever you're making left turn, you have to make sure that all the intersection that you're going to be making the turn is clear, so nobody will be in your way. Here's the last left turn here. It's not an intersection turn, it's a regular left turn. Making my left turn, mirrors and shoulder, come, and nice and smooth, making my left turn. All right, there you have it, folks. When you're making your left turn, it's just as easy as the right turn. Just pay attention to the intersection.